Oh, breakfast made. Absolutely fantastic. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, bacon and egg toasty in the air fryer. Everything in the air fryer in about 10 minutes, something like that. So let's show you how to make this 10-minute breakfast. Come on. Now this has gone a bit viral all over, you know, but everybody's been doing it for a long time. And basically we're just going to toast up a toasty in the air fryer, but with the bacon on and an egg in it. Now I like to butter my bread, so I'm going to butter my bread first before layering up my toasty. You alright a minute, Mum? Right guys, so that's my bread buttered. You know, I like to make a toasty sandwich with butter on my bread. Now all we're going to do now is take our bacon and we're going to make a bacon nest on top of our bread. What we're going to do is take our rasher of bacon and all we're going to do is we're going to make a nest. Now I'm just going to twist it a little bit just to keep it together. I'm going to form a nest on top of there. Now I'm using 2 rashers of bacon per bread. I like to just twist it round there like that, and that will form up our bacon nest on top of our toasty. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to crack the egg in there. So I'll just do the other one. Okay, so there's our little nest made on our bread. All we need to do now is crack an egg into our bowl. And hopefully it all stays whole. There we go. So that's the first one. Right, now what we need to do, we need to transfer this bread to our air fryer before we put the egg in. So just get your bread and bob it in there. Just bob it in there like that. Now just push down your bacon a little bit to try and form a seal on there, because we want the egg to stay in the middle. Now if it runs out, don't worry about it. And then all we're going to do is chip our egg in there. And do the same with the other one. Tip that in there. And then if you want to season it, you can season it with salt and pepper. I'm not going to season it, I'm going to season it after. Then all we need to do is bob it in the air fryer. In the air fryer, 180 for 10 minutes. Oh. There you go guys, just look at that. Bacon, egg, toast, all in one go. All we need to do is take that out of there and put it on our plate. Oh, a bit warm. Get that one out of there. Oh, just look at that. Just look at that. Oh, breakfast made. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. So you can eat it any which way you want, guys. You know, you can stuff some sauce on there. That is breakfast made. Now the thing is, by doing the egg like this in there for so long, now the egg is going to be firm. Now if you actually start the toast off and the bacon off first and put it in there for say 5 minutes and then put the egg in, you would have a runny egg. Let's cut into that. Oh, as you can see, it's still soft egg. That is delicious. Oh, let's give that a go. Love it. Oh. Guys, bacon and egg in 10 minutes. On toast. Ready to go. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.